Subscribe to Rohin's channel and press the bell icon to watch latest tech videos firstly.
What's going on, guys? This is Rohin. You're watching All About Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to earn 10 lakhs per day with using your just brain, no skills, body skills. And guys, you can also earn a lot by making videos of 15 seconds. Very simple. Yes guys, I'm not talking about none other than Hypstar app. You can earn a lot by using Hypstar app, and guys, it will pay you a lot, trust me. So guys, you can earn 10 lakhs per day by participating in Khelo Live and Jito Live. Now what you need to do is you need to just join now and register with your number, and it will send you they'll send you the OTP and you will registered. But for withdraw money you need to enter your PayPal account. It may be your Gmail account, similar. So guys, this is what. And guys, this is the option of register and login. So here you can see that how to make videos, that you need to just, there's no need to make any special video, you need to just make a simple video as it is. So guys, what you need to do is, let me just show you. Like this guy made a video, a normal video, funny video. And guys, here you can see, let me just show you his profile. It has 45.4k followers. He followed 29 people and his flame is 2.3k, and 4 flame is equals to $0.06. It means 6 cents. And guys, 8 flames is equals to 12 cents. And he upload approx 18 videos. Yeah, there's a, it was written here 18 videos. So guys, and it's so simple. You'll shoot videos and upload from here, clicking on it, and easy to use, simple. And you need to make the video which is trendy. Here it is. Here you can see, you could go to the album also to make videos, and it is easy to use. So guys, hope you like the video. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Follow us on Twitter at channel Rohin. And guys, press the bell icon so you watch latest tech videos firstly. So guys, hope you like the video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.